Okay, so you're going to open your file in PowerPoint, and these are a morning meeting slide. I show one each day, and then we discuss as a class. Then we move on to our calendar. You need to be sure that you are in edit mode and not present mode, or the pieces will not be movable. You can drag and drop the days each day, and then there are holidays you can drag and drop. There are birthdays if you have a class birthday. Each day we practice spelling the month that we are in, and I include songs on most slides.
September.
Then we move on to weather. I can type the weather here if it's sunny. This has a song as well.
What's the weather?
You can drag and drop this here. We do a graph each month for the weather. So these are all draggable. You can save it each day. This has a song as well that we like to sing.
Every week has 7 days.
So then you can drag and drop if today is Monday, yesterday was Sunday, tomorrow will be Tuesday. And then on this slide, if today is Monday, then we always listen to this song.
Today is Monday. Today is Monday.
Then down here is where you can actually type today is Monday, September, and you can type the whole thing out, the year, the date. Then we practice the months of the year with these songs.
January, February, March.
I like to check in with my students how they're feeling each day. I can just take a poll and real quick type the number of students who are feeling each emotion each day, and then you can even put it in a sentence frame if you wish. How many days have we been in school? If we've been in school 21 days, I can drag and drop the pieces. I can say if it's even or odd. We do one more, one less. We also practice using 10 frames. We do patterns, count by 5s and 10s, but they both have songs. We do 2D and 3D shape, phonics, sight words, and lunch count.